Robin and welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. I'm planning to post my analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty every day. So let's begin our analysis. There is a sequence that I follow. Based on that, we will do our analysis. So firstly, we will talk about the data like participant wise open interest. This is very important to know the FIs and the pro desk positions. They are the market movers, so definitely we must watch them closely. Then we will look at the option chain to find them, or moreover to find the support and resistance in the market. And finally we will do our chart analysis to find position to enter and exit. Today being the first day, my video may be a little longer, but from tomorrow we will keep this video within a limit of 10 to 15 minutes. Slowly, gradually, you will understand how I analyze, and I will talk on important points on price action, which will bridge the knowledge gaps. So let's begin with our analysis. So firstly, we will check the participant wise OI. So I have it here. So this is a sheet which I've already made and I directly get the summary here. So let's look at the FIs and the pro desk positions. So FIs are completely bearish. So they have future short, call short and put buy. And if we look at the pros positions, pros are also bearish, but they have also bought futures, which means they are expecting a small up move also. See, you must keep in mind when the data is completely bearish, we may not show a big fall again, because this data is being analyzed by everyone, so they may change their view in the market. And why do they do that? It is to trap the retailers. So we will plan our trades by looking at the charts. So before we move on to the chart, as I mentioned, now we'll check out the option chain first. Okay, so this is my option chain. So if we look at the option chain, everything is in red. So when everything is in red, that means it is definitely the data is looking quite bearish. But the bearish sentiment was already factored in today is what I understand, because we showed a very big fall. So tomorrow we'll see whether the fall continues or if we take a halt. So now I'll show you the change in open interest. So this particular graph is all about the change in open interest. So it is clearly visible no one was interested in put writing and call writing was significant. So if we gap up tomorrow, this may change, since 37,000 is still very good support and also a round number. So not necessary that we may break this level tomorrow itself. And we can consider 37,000 as a support for now. So the take from both the data is definitely FIs are bearish, pros are also bearish, and tomorrow if the market opens flat or if we see a small dip, there is a possibility that they may cover all their shorts and bring in an intraday rally, or maybe they can move the market sideways. So now we'll move on to the chart analysis. So the first thing that I normally do is I look at the 1 day candle. So this is the 1 day candle, and if we look at it, it is a clear cut bearish candle which is showing a sharp selling from the top. So usually after a big red candle, there is a halt candle that is made the next day. So now let's move on to a smaller time frame to analyze this better and take positions. So this is a 5-minute Bank Nifty chart, and I have marked a channel over here, and these are some important support resistances that the price normally respects. So Bank Nifty is in this downtrend channel, and we have closed right at the support of this channel. So an important support for Bank Nifty now is 36,915, that is this area. So if we open flat and break today's low, I'm not expecting a very big fall. We may bounce back from here and then come back into this channel again. So if you see a reversal candle at this place, that is around 36,915, or a bull candle here, you can definitely take an entry in call side. So you can buy a call option. And if we check for a resistance as of now, 37,400 seems to be a very good resistance at the moment, and definitely once the price approaches this area, we'll see a fall again. So that fall is very important. If that fall breaks 37,000 is when the short term trend may turn bearish, and in case if we do not break 37,000, then there is a possibility that we may further see an upside in Bank Nifty. So tomorrow if you see the market approaching 37,400, and if you see a reversal candle here, you can definitely opt for a put position also. And moreover, I think we may trade between 36,915 to 37,400 tomorrow. I am personally not interested in bearish trade, at least for tomorrow, because we already saw a good fall today. Since this is a correction after a significant uptrend, so we know that the market or the Bank Nifty turned quite bullish, and then this is the first time it is correcting itself. So during the correction, the problem is it may resume the uptrend anytime, because it can find support anywhere and people may enter and take the price higher. So definitely this is not a place to look for selling. What we can do is, if we see a bounce here and then if the price goes up and if it forms a lower high and if it comes back again, then we can plan for the trades for downside. So this is my view for Bank Nifty, and let's look at Nifty also. So if you see Nifty, we saw heavy profit booking since yesterday. Today also we opened gap down and we filled the gap, and then we saw around 200-250 points downfall. So right now if you see, it is stopped at this particular level, which is around 17,370, and the immediate support is around 17,280. So this is the area. So if you look at here, previously we consolidated in this area for about 4-5 days, and then the price gave an upside breakout. So definitely first time if the price is approaching this area, buyers will definitely enter. So if you see an intraday fall up to 280, then definitely you have to take a upside trade, because we may not fall below 280 tomorrow itself. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you all liked it. So we'll catch up tomorrow with another video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.